How do fast-growing companies manage product pricing? Every small and medium-sized enterprise faces the delicate task of setting competitive prices that are aligned with customer expectations while ensuring profitability and business sustainability. Here are a few actionable strategies drawn from real-life SME success stories to show ways to overcome these challenges. So, what are the core challenges? SMEs often struggle with unaffordable customer pricing due to misaligned profit expectations resulting from a lack of market and competitor analysis, incorrect costing, inadequate cost analysis, and financial understanding and discipline. These challenges can lead to setting prices that customers find unaffordable, resulting in lost competitiveness and business opportunities. But fear not. Strategic adjustments and a deeper understanding of your market can turn these obstacles into stepping stones for growth. This price framework provides actionable strategies to overcome pricing challenges and enhance business growth. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.